Hey, Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Okay, so today we are going to study about that how the quadratic expression, which is, if you can see, this is the quadratic expression, and we have to convert it in the form of, look, this is in this form, okay, where P, Q, and R are constants, right? And then after that, what we have to do, we have to write down the coordinates of the minimum point of the curve, right? And this is the expression. So the point is that in this form, our equation is 9x square negative 12x plus 5. Okay, and we have to write it in the form of, and the form is, that is, we are going to write it equal to that is P and x minus q whole square plus R. And if you know, students, so this way of writing is actually called, that is, a completed square form. This is actually completed square form, right? And if we talk about this side, so that is actually the general form. We call it the general form of the quadratic equation of the quadratic. Okay. Now I wrote them equal to each other. Actually, what I want to expand my completed square form, and when I will expand it, it's a square. You notice that x minus q whole square, and if we make a rough working area, so x minus q whole square. Let's expand it with the help of the identity. And with the help of identity, when we will expand it, we will get that would be equal to x square minus 2qx plus q square, right? And then we are going to write it like p, okay, and inside the bracket, the expanded form of x minus q whole square, it would be x square negative 2qx plus q square and plus r as well. This is the r. We should not miss it. And on this side, we are going to have it 9x square minus 12x plus 5. Okay. Actually, our method is to compare the coefficients of the terms. The same terms coefficients we are going to compare, and we are going to look for the value of P, Q, and R. Okay. So our next step is that we are going to multiply P with everything inside the bracket, that P x square, okay, and negative 2 P Q x and positive P Q square, if I'm not wrong, and plus R, right? So I have expanded this whole, and now we are having on this side 9x square negative 12x plus 5. Now, if we look closely into this, that we are having, look, this is the x square term. On this side also we have the x square term. This is the x term. On this side negative 2pqs, and on this side we are having negative 12x. So this is x term. And if we talk about, this is the constant. On this side, in place of constant, we have all this, right? Now what I'm going to do is, we are going to compare both the ways. Like if we talk about 9x square, and on the other side we are having px square. So we can cancel out x square on the both sides. We can easily find out that the value of p is equal to 9. Okay. Now the same thing we can do it with for the x term. When we talk about this, this is negative 12x is equal to actually negative 2pqx. Okay. And from both sides, if we are cancelling out x, right? So we can easily say, and negative sign also can be cancelled out from both sides. So we can say 2pq, 2, and instead of p, we can put the value of p also, which we are calculating in the first. So that is 9, okay, q, and that is all equal to 12. And we can easily say that 18q is equal to 12, or we can say q would be equal to 12 divided by 18, and that can give us the answer. Uh, with 2 times table, or with 6 times table, 6 2 times 12, and 6 3 times, to 2/3. So value of key we have got, that is equal to 2/3. Now we are left with only the value of r. How to find the value of r is, you see, the third is the constant 5 is equal to pq square plus r. So we can write it easily, pq square plus r over here, pq square plus r is equal to 5. Now we know the value of p, we know the value of q, we are left with only value of r. So value